Let's try question number 9C. So let me tell you, question number 9A, which is in your mat, and question number 9B is removed or deleted. Fine. You can delete it if it is there in your book. We will be doing question number 9C. This question was asked in May 2022 exam. It is equally important for CA and CMA student. This question had been amended 3 times. So we will be doing latest solution given by the institute, and if you don't have this question, I will show you the question. I will request you to take image of this question and write it in your notebook only. You can leave the space of this question. The question is in front of you. We will be solving this question right now. If you have solved any question like this before, I will request you to delete all the solutions, all the questions which you have done, because the solution of these questions have been amended. Today we will be doing updated amended solution for this question. Fine. Let's start reading the question. MPD Limited issues a 50 million floating rate loan on July 1, 2018 with resetting of coupon rate every 6 months equal to LIBOR plus 50 basis points. MPD is interested in an interest rate collar strategy of selling a floor and buying a cap. MPD buys the 3-year cap and sell 3-year floor as per the following details on July 1, 2018. Principal amount is given, strike rate is given, reference rate premium is nil. The reset dates and interest rates per annum on that dates are LIBOR rates on each reset date is given. Using above data, you are required to determine effective interest paid out at each 6 reset dates, round off to the nearest rupee. Average overall effective rate of interest per annum, round off to 2 decimals. So the question is in front of you. We will be solving this question right now. I'll request you to read this question again, and we will be solving this question. Let's write some concept information in rough. So if I buy a cap means, if I buy a cap at 8% per annum, it means I will not pay interest more than 8%. I will not pay interest more than 8%. Upper limit, this is known as upper limit. I have set an upper limit for my loan interest. Sell a floor means I will pay at least 5%. I will pay at least 5%. This is known as lower limit. Sell means obligation. Seller had an obligation. I will pay at least 5%. irrespective of the rate of interest, I am committed to pay at least 5%, but I will not pay more than 8%. So I have set a range. The range is 8% at upper end and 5% at lower end. Fine, let's start solving the question. So first of all, let's write the reset date. Reset date. Reset date is 31st 12/18. Fine. Leave 3 lines and then again write 36/19, 31st 12/19. It is given in the question itself. Leave 3 lines, 36/20, 31st 12/2020, 36/21. Leave 3 lines. Fine. Even you can leave 4 lines because we will be doing working inside each column. These are reset dates. Fine. Now we will write payment date. Payment dates will be definitely approximately 6 months away from this date. First we determine the rate and then we pay. Whenever you take loan, you know what you are going to pay next 6 months. Payment date. Payment date will be next, that is 36/19, 31st 12/19, 36/20, 31/12/20, 36/21, 31st 12/21. 31st 12/21 is not given in the question, but definitely as per the pattern of the question it must be 31st 12/21, no doubt in this, but this is not given in the question. 31st 12/21 is not given in the question, but it needs to be 31st 12/21 only. You can see the pattern of the question. Every 6 months dates are given. Every 6 month dates are given. Fine. So what is the days? So you can count 6 months, it will be approximately 180 days, but exact dates needs to be counted. So if you want to write this in your rough page, in your working note, you can write, remember 2020 is a leap year. Leap year is that year that can be easily divided by 4. Fine. I hope you know the meaning of leap year. So you can count from here 6 months, 31 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30. So like this, what it's coming, please let me know. So it's coming So it's coming 181 days. 181 days. it's coming 181 days, it's coming 184 days, it's coming 182 days. Please check yourself, please check yourself. It's coming 184 days, it's coming 181 days, again it will be coming 184 days, only in leap year it will be 182 days. Fine, no problem at all. If you want to write this, you can write. I am giving you few seconds, but you can calculate directly in calculator. Fine, sir. No problem at all. Now let's calculate interest. Now let's calculate interest. Interest payment, which is LIBOR. You can see the question itself, LIBOR plus 0.5%. Fine. So the amount of loan is 500 lakhs, LIBOR is 7%. So 7.5% upon 100 into 181 upon 365. So it is coming 1859589. Like this you have to solve each and every amount. 500 into 8.5% into 184 upon 365. In leap year it will be 366. 2142 466 2142 466. Now 500 into 6.5%. Till now the question is really very simple. 180 upon 366. It will be 366. Remember, it will be 366. 500 into 6.5%, 182 divided by 366, 1616120, 1616120. Fine, no problem at all. 1616120. Likewise, you can solve for each and every case. 500 lakhs into 5.25 upon 100 into 184 upon 366. 500 into 5.25% into 184 divided by 366, 1319672, 1319672. Fine. 500 into 4.75 upon 100 into 181, 365, 500, 4.75%, 181 divided by 365, 1177740, 1177740. Fine. Last 500 into 5.75 into 184, 365. It is 1449315. 1449315. Fine. Now comes the application of cap and floor. Now comes the application of cap and floor. So I have purchased cap. I am cap buyer. So I will exercise only when I will be having profit. So there cannot be any obligation for a buyer. Fine, sir. So cap receipt, cap buyer receipts, cap buyer receipts. So what I have purchased, what I have thought, I will not pay more than 8%. In all the cases, I am not paying more than 8%. 0.5 will definitely be added, that is common in both. Only see the LIBOR figure. In LIBOR, 7% is better or 8% is better? 7% is better, 8% tie, 8% I am paying, 6% is better, 4.75 is better, 4.25 is better, 5.25 is better. I am not paying in any case more than 8%, so I will not exercise. So my receipt will be 0, not exercise, since in none of the case I am paying more than 8%. If I would have been paying more than 8%, then I will exercise and I will pay only 8%. Fine. LIBOR. In none of the case LIBOR is more than 8%, so I am not exercising. Fine, sir. No problem at all. If you don't have space, you can draw a different table and then write. So cap buyer receipt is okay. Now in floor, I am having an obligation that I will pay at least 5%. So there can be payoff in floor payoff. There can be obligation in floor. Now see, I need to pay at least 5%. I am paying more than 5%, 7% it's okay, 8% it's okay, 6% is okay, 4.75 not okay, fine, 4.25 not okay. So in both the cases I will be paying, I will pay because I have already committed that I will pay at least 5%, but here I am paying less than 5%. So what I need to pay additionally? I need to pay additionally if you don't have space, you can write this in a different table. 500 into, so the shortfall is 0.25, 0.25 upon 100 into 184 upon 366. So it's coming 0.25%, 184, 366. So it's coming 62842. 62842. Fine, no problem at all. Again here also 500 lakhs, 0.75 is the shortfall. 0.75 is the shortfall. 181 upon 365. This equals to 500 into 0.75% into 181 divided by 365. 185959. 185959. I need to pay this much amount also. 185959. Fine, no problem at all. So what is my effective interest? What is my effective interest? If you don't have space, you can definitely use a different table. What is your effective interest? Effective interest. Effective interest. Effective interest will be 1859589 2142 466 1616 120 1382 1382 514 1363 699 1449 315. So the total is coming. Please do the total. This is the effective rate. Let's write the total also. 9813703. Fine. So first part is completed. Question first part asked us to calculate effective rate at each reset date. Fine. Fine, sir. So total is 1096. The total is 1096 days. Second part of the question is you have to write average. You have to do average annual effective rate of interest. So the second part of the question is very simple. You have to do average annual effective interest rate. average annual effective interest rate. So total amount of interest was 981,3703 on how much loan? 500 lakhs. For how many days? 1096. So divided by 1096 means we are getting for 1 day. We need to calculate for per annum. So per annum rate will be 6.54% per annum. 6.54% per annum. Question is very, very simple. This is the amended solution which I have given you. As soon as there is any change in the solution question, we intimate you via various medium like Telegram, YouTube, and if you are doing the classes, you are getting updated lectures. Fine. No problem. Simple question. Now, if it comes in exam, you can easily do this question. 100% marks will be allotted to you. I am quite confident, and by this you can definitely secure 100% marks in the subject, because if you revise well, if you have grip in the concept, if you know each and every solution, no point a single marks will be deducted. Be confident, definitely you are going to score a very good marks in the subject. So let's move ahead. Fine, fine sir.